All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is currently Thursday, July 16th. It is 10 a.m. for you, 10:16 p.m. for me. Had a pretty good trading day, right? We made $700 across 4 tops of accounts. I accidentally made $17,000 on my Lucid Max evals. That was messed up. I'm gonna show you guys how that happened. I did end up getting it back down to $1.5 thousand to meet consistency, right? Ended up making 730 across 5 Alpha Future Zero accounts, and then ended up making $5.7 thousand across my singular TPT live account. So that is huge, right? I'm gonna go over what I saw in the trading day, what I actually alerted in the free Discord. I don't give signals, I never will. I think that's messed up. You learn nothing from signals, right? So what I do is I give people daily bias and draws, and there's a free course in my free Discord for you guys to check out. Goes over my entire system, my entire strategy. You guys can watch all of that, and with my daily bias, find a way to enter a trade, right? So what I told my Discord this morning was, hey, currently, here's what I want to see, right? We have previous week low resting below us. If we check the weekly time frame, right? Or sorry, not previously week low. I think it's like Monday's low or something. Yeah, Tuesday's low. I'm like, hey, we have Tuesday's low resting below us. We are clearly respecting this hourly bearish gap. I want to see price come down and take out this low, right? So what do I see? I see this. I see we grab our high to the low. We then tap into OTE of this bullish range. What is OTE? 0.5 to 0.705. Anything above that I consider somewhat of a safety net. So this is our OTE range. Sorry, I don't know why I started there. And this is what I want to see price react off. So we have this. Sorry. We have this area here. We're in an hourly bearish gap. I want to see price react off this. What do we get? We get a 30-second entry right up here. My entry was actually originally here, targeting this unfilled 5-minute gap, right? And then you just break even at the 50-minute, because there's a few bullish P rays here that I was kind of scared price would react off, which we eventually never did. But we had a 15-minute bullish unfilled gap, and within that 15-minute we had a 5-minute that was also an OTE of the bullish range. So because of that, I was very careful today. If we take a look at price, you can see literally 0.618 aligned with a 5-minute unfilled gap. So that had me a little bit tripped out. I was like, all right, you know what? Let me make sure I'm going to take profits where I'm going to be safe. And as you can see, price actually reacted off this level very nicely. And then we got a short entry back to the downside, right? So this is another entry I actually took on my Lucid evals, was this short here. And the reason that it gave me this entry was actually not because I took this short, but because I took pre-market longs on my Lucid account here to the unfilled hourly high, or unfilled hourly gap, and my stop loss was here. Now, if you guys know how Trade-O-Vate works, your stop loss isn't a stop loss, it's a limit order. So when I hit DP, I was like, all right, I'm good. Nope, triggered a sell limit that went all the way down here with 4 minis for 170 points. So I ended up making like $15,000 because of that trade, and I was up 1.5 on the day, which made my account green like $16.5 thousand. So what I then did is waited for confirmation to the upside. I took a short here with no stop loss until I lost enough money to actually be good for the day. And then if you guys don't know, there's like a glitch. If you guys ever make too much money for consistency, what you could do is spam buy and sell on Trade-O-Vate with one mini or one micro. And what it does is it charges you the fees. So your P&L is going to be up or down $5, $10, $20, but you're going to get charged 50 to 100 in fees. So your account will ultimately lose money. If you sit there, I sat there for 5 minutes just buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, until I lost like $4,000 per account, because even then this long wasn't enough. And then there was an SMT at the high with ES. And I was like, all right, maybe we dump. And that is what we did, right? So what I wanted during the day was shorts, and that is what I did. I shorted off the top. You could have shorted, I believe, best entries of the day were here to these lows. I didn't like shorts to these lows just because there's no actual retrace. But I love shorts up until these 3 targets, right? There is, I don't know if this is data lows at 7 a.m., but I really liked it. We have this wick low. We have all of this LR right here, right? Let me get rid of all the noise. There's a lot of noise on the charts right now, right? We have this unfilled 5-minute. We have this unfilled 15-minute. Once we run through the 15-minute, we react off the 5-minute. We tap into this change in state and delivery, close lower. This is probably the nicest entry of the day. You can put your stops up there, GP down here. If you want the risk to reward to make sense, you do this, but then you risk almost getting stuffed out, right? I actually took this trade on my alpha. This is the trade I took on my alpha. I don't know why I didn't mention this earlier. I waited for this wick to close. This was also a 5-minute open high, which contributed a lot to why I took the trade, right? We got a nice 5-minute candle closure lower at 935. At this point in time, we also got this 5-minute CISD. Literally nothing bullish about price, and I'm like, all right, this is gonna be a beautiful short. We open high on the 5-minute into a gap, close lower. That's my entry. That's all I need. The 30-second also closed very nicely, and I was like, all right, here, this is my trade. I'm gonna take this short, right? As we did, we made bread, meaning I will be requesting also a 1.2k payout tonight with TPT. First day on the live account with TPT, I will be requesting a 1.2k payout. I missed Take Profit Trader, and I'm sure they missed me. And hopefully in 3 trading days, we'll be eligible for a payout with Alpha. And in 3 trading days, we'll be eligible for a payout with Top Step. So hopefully you can be requesting another $20,000 in payouts this month. And, oh, Lucid as well. Which, by the way, if you guys don't know, the Lucid Pros are 40% off right now, which is ridiculous. You guys are never going to find a better deal than that, like, ever. Because not only are they 40% off, but they're also daily loss limit is gone. And if you guys don't know how the Lucid Pros work, the whole gimmick of it is their 1-day pass, right? But what's the catch? There's a daily loss limit of $1,000. So what they do is they got rid of the daily loss limit, so now you can literally risk $2,000 to make $3,000 in a single trade and pass your accounts in a single day. That is exactly what I would be doing if I wasn't on the Lucid Live program. But yeah, I hope you guys all took something out of this video. Free Discord is linked below. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.